Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all fine. In this collection you see the happy Easter decoration for the centerpieces ideas and table decoration ideas on Easter festival, Easter spring ideas, and hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy my collection on daily basis, luxury way to celebrate the each and every festival with my channel, that is the Easy Craft Videos. Guys, share my channel with your family and friends. That is the top trending ideas and amazing colors and amazing shades and beautiful and amazing colors. So watch the videos to like my video and to share my videos. How to decor your home on every festival. I provide you ideas and decor your home and amazing colors or amazing ideas. New creativity are available on my YouTube channel on daily basis. So keep watching Easy Craft videos.